Kosade, you cool? Okay. Did you guys really see the light at the end of the tunnel? Christian? Yes? Ella? Muslim? Marvelous. Did you see it? Are you sure? Oyin Kosade? You're sure? Ayo? Sure? Don't just nod. Because it's not for me, it's for you. Did you see the light at the end of the tunnel?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Very sure.
You want to fight now? Are you ready to fight?
Yes.
You've got to fight. You have got to fight. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go into our songs, shall we? Who's up first? Ayo. What's your song? What are your songs?
I'm doing Angel by Shaggy and...
Marvelous, please, I need some water. Just the same combination last time. Fantastic. I kid you not.
Sorry. I'm doing Angel by Shaggy, and the dance song is Give It To Me by... yes.
Angel first.
Okay.
Are you ready with both?
Yes, I'll try.
Change key.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby. Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you little have pure fun. Don't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Long ago, shorty's always your mention. Said I not give her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby. You're a queen and so you should be treated, though you never got the love that you needed. Should have gone but I called and you heeded, begged and pleaded, jobs uncompleted. Mama said that I and I dished the program, not the type to mess around with her emotion. But this love that I have for you is so strong, been together so long, this could never be wrong. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel.
This is what the backup's going to be singing.
Yes, ma'am.
When the backups are singing, you can do a little ad-lib. Not...
reggae ad-libs. Because at the beginning, this one, shooby-dooby-dooby-da-day.
You can do stuff like that.
Okay.
But I don't think the really heavy reggae ad-libs is, I don't think it's relevant here.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think it will just be too much.
Okay.
Just nice, soft, easygoing ad-libs. And then again, yeah, you can do both.
Both.
You can do both.
You can act like Shaggy's ad-lib.
Yeah, you act like,
okay.
yeah, you can.
Okay.
Second song. Sorry, how do you intend to end? You want to work that out on the stage?
Yes, ma'am. I haven't really decided on how.
Okay.
Okay.
Second song.
Second song is Give It To Me by Rick James.
Okay. I'm sorry.
I'm doing Ombaro.
How is that going? The words. Do you understand anything you're saying? What language is that? Isoko. Who understands Isoko here? To help her write out stuff. Okay. This is another way out. Just say it as you hear it. Da 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 da.
What's on my Takoritego, Wajomania, Nyakobaro, Nyakobaro, Wajomania, Nyakobaro, manya kobaro, wajo manya nya kobaro, wajo manya kobaro. Because I need time to
Second verse.
Obaro mere, obaro omarame, nede bede, maya jagogo. Sorry.
Don't stop.
Iba kosie mara, ogene lomo waloro konyama. Maro, majonya, mnya mobaro.
This is torture.
Nya bobaro, wajo manya, nya bobaro. Manya bobaro, wajo manya, nya bobaro. Wajo manya bobaro. It's only the first and the second verse I've been able to learn.
Okay, so what do you plan to do with this song?
I'm still trying to get used to the words in my head, and then I can,
Can I spice it up?
Yes, I can spice it
I'm looking forward to see you rehearse it on the stage, because the song is like this. Okay, get the words quickly. Yeah? Second song, which I'm more interested in, for obvious reasons. How many modulations?
4.
You're doing all the modulations.
I just pray God give me my voice back. Because
What
I want
to your voice?
I seriously don't know. After the I've not gotten back. Please. Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. And every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everyone is asking why I'm smiling out from ear to ear. But I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my fears. And finally you put me first. Baby, it's you.
Stop. You're shouting. Okay, can you do this for me?
Can I do this when I get to a place where I don't want to shout and I just want to hold it?
Don't shout.
Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. And every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everyone is asking why I'm smiling up from here to here. But I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears.
Careful with your notes.
And nothing put me first.
Oh. No talking. Who is the class, whatever? Ayo. Ayo.
Yes, ma'am.
She's not supposed to talk.
No.
She's not supposed to talk throughout the day. So if I'm going to ask you, yeah?
All right.
No talking. Steam 3 times a day. Yeah? Do you still have ginger tea?
Yes.
Yeah.